We recently visited Douglas Byrd High School, the home of Academy of Green Technology, where a group of 5th graders from Owen Elementary School attended a series of workshops put on by Cumberland County Schools and Douglas Byrd High School.
So the team here at Douglas Byrd High School, the Academy of Green Technology, invited the 5th grade scholars of William H. Owen to come over and engage in STEM-related activities from the Academy. I love seeing them engage in hands-on experiences and activities. I think I'm just as excited as they are. They are participating with drones and things of that nature, so I'm sitting here learning how to code with them, so it's an exciting moment for all of us. Great learning opportunity.
The workshops that were offered were solar, wind turbines, weather balloons, and drone technology.
I always tell people that it's the younger people that are going to come up with the innovation that's required in order for this to work, right? Our initial technologies were all developed using the fossil fuels, and that's why they are efficient in those manners. But now, if we were to come up with the new technologies that run on renewable energies, then they would also be efficient. And so it's the younger generation, the younger groups, all of these kids that are learning and interested that are going to come up with those technologies. So I love when I see them all interested in asking these questions.
The Academy of Green Technology is part of Cumberland County Schools' choice programs, and the director is Denise Renfro. She is a passionate, award-winning educator, and she had this to say.
I love teaching here at Byrd, and these kids just, they take on the tasks we ask, and they do so with, just a super great amount of interest. I mean, they just love what they do too. And so, they are what get me up in the morning to get me here because they enjoy doing it, and that makes it my job fun. And I think education should be a blast, right? I think they should have fun all the time. I always say this, no one's going to remember the matching definition worksheet, but they are going to remember that they launched balloons for 5th grade classes or for schools, that they learned how to fly a drone and they now have their drone pilot's license. They're going to remember teaching 5th graders about solar and wind. So we feel like our program is right at the cutting edge of everything that needs to be done now, and there's no skill that's going to be more in demand really than energy as we go forward with climate. So we feel like we're doing a good service for our kids and they have fun doing it, so that's important.
We are delighted to see our young students excited to learn about new green technologies. We cannot wait to see how this inspires them to make an impact for our environment.